Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an extreme clean with me, so it is packed with cleaning motivation to help you tackle your to-do list today. Don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning along with me, and let's just jump straight into it. So it is laundry day today, so I'm just going to go around the bedroom sorting out all of the washing to see what needs to be put in the laundry and what just needs to be put away. I'm then going to take out all of the empty cups and glasses before I go ahead and strip the bed, put that in the wash and get that washing while I do the rest of the house. I always make sure I do it first thing, because then by the time the bedding is done, the rest of the house is done and it's just a case of putting the bedding back on the bed, and I just find it so much easier to do it first thing.
Trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace.
So once I've got the bedding in the wash, I'm going to crack on with the kitchen, because as you can see, it could do with a little bit of attention. It's not too bad, but it could definitely be better. So I'm just going to whiz round, putting a few things away, putting the washing up away, and then doing the little bit of washing up that I do have left before I can go round and wipe down all the sides and just make everything nice and clean and fresh.
We go bottoms up. Shaking through my car, left me in the cold. Chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into myself, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up, and face that shit another day.
So once I've done the washing up, I always just leave it to air dry while I do the rest of the house. So I'm just going to crack on with the rest of the kitchen and also swap the laundry over because now the bedding's done and I've got even more to put in. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that before I move through into the living room.
So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way. Shout and touch the sky in the city of angels.
So I think over the next few videos, over the next few months, you are going to constantly see me moving those Lazy Susans from one side of the kitchen to the other. I went ahead and got them because they were super cheap on eBay and I really want to reorganise my kitchen, just completely empty the cupboards and change them all around. But as you know, I love to do things on a budget, so instead of just going all in and buying everything in one go, I went ahead and got the Lazy Susans because they were really cheap, but now I just need to wait until I can find everything else that I want. So that's why they are just constantly on the kitchen side, just waiting to be used. But now I'm just going to go through into the living room, give it a quick tidy up and a hoover. I absolutely love hoovering. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I think it makes the room look so much bigger and I just really enjoy it. It's just so satisfying for me to do. So I'm just going to go around, give everywhere a good hoover and freshen everywhere up. I'm now just going to go ahead and hang up the laundry. I'm still super in love with this laundry room. I'm so glad that I can just come up here and hang the clothes without having to go into the garage all the time. I only ever use the tumble dryer now for the bedding, towels and blankets, but I never put any of our clothes in the tumble dryer. And I've shrunk nothing, and that feels amazing because that was a big issue I was having. I was always shrinking our clothes, so I'm not shrinking clothes anymore and they smell even more amazing than they did in the tumble dryer. So I'm really glad that we did this. So don't forget to check out that transformation video if you do want to see what this room looked like before. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm now just going to go around and spot clean the carpet with the Vanish carpet cleaner. I've been looking at the carpet for a while now, knowing that it needs doing, and for some reason I've just been putting it off, where today I thought it really needs doing. It's getting really bad and I didn't want it to get to the point where I wouldn't be able to clean it. So I'm now just going to go around spot cleaning the bits that really need doing.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got.
So it's now time to put the bedding back on the bed, and I definitely have a love-hate relationship with doing this because I hate doing it, but I love what it feels like when it's done. So I do try and do it every few days because I think there's nothing better than getting into a freshly made bed at the end of the day. I absolutely love that feeling. So I do the bed every 3 days or every 4 days if I'm really putting it off. But it's better than every other day, which is what I was doing at one point. I just couldn't get enough of the fresh feeling, but I realized that I was doing it a little bit too often. So I do it every few days and I absolutely love getting into a freshly made bed.
I'm just gonna drive you. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And
So I know that we are in desperate need for some new pillows, but I think that we're going to be keeping these ones for a while longer yet. Even though they do look a little bit gross, I just find them so comfortable because they've been worn in. And even though I do have two on my side, I only use the one thin one, and I could easily sleep without a pillow. I like to lay as flat as possible, and the one that I use is super thin and comfortable. And I know if I bought a new one it'd be really thick, and it's just not comfy for me. Unless there's anywhere I can buy super wafer thin pillows, I think I'm going to keep my one for a little bit longer.
I'm just gonna drive you. I'm just gonna drive you. I'm just gonna drive.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. Your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to.
thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and also let me know it down in the comments. I am going to go ahead and leave another video up on the screen here for you, and I will see you back here in the next one.